Hello again. So let's have another example where we demonstrate the precedence rules. Okay, so here in the slide, I have here another set of expressions, but this time I did not put any variable names. The point lang of this exercise is for us to be able to apply the precedence rules directly into the expression. So for letter A, it's a simple expression. It's just a direct expression where you are to get the modulo. What is the modulo of, or the remainder of 15 divided by 4? Of course, that's straightforward. I think the answer is 3, no? 15 divided by 4, that's actually 3, 12. 15 minus 12, that's 3. That is your 15 minus 12 is 3. That is your remainder. Now next, in this expression here, there you have two operators, and the two operators, division and addition, have different precedence rules, no? So based from this table, um, the division has higher by precedence over the addition. That's why when we evaluate this one, we will do the division first, then the result we add. But what is 7 divided by 3? Now, of course, that's a very simple number, but what I'm trying to emphasize to you here is that the way the numbers are written, this will be interpreted by Java as both integers. So since 7 and 3 are both integers, then it is important that the result, or this is what is important that you remember, that when you divide numbers that are both integers, the result will always be an integer. So in this case, the answer is 2. Okay, 7 divided by 3 gives you 2, plus of course 2, so your final answer here is 4. Next, in the next expression, this is 2 plus 7 times 5. Now again, multiplication has higher precedence over the addition. Although the plus is written first before the multiplication, but based on the precedence rule, we have to do multiplication first. So you retain set the 2 plus multiply 7 and 5, that's 35. So I happen na to i-add yon. So 2 plus 35 will give you 37. Next, you have 45 divided by 8 times 4 plus 2. So, based on the precedence table, division and multiplication are of the same level. But based also on the slide here, slide 45, it says that when binary operators have equal precedence, then the operator on the left acts before the operator on the right. So, since una nasulat si division ay ang multiplication, then we'll do the division first. So again, take note that you are dividing integers. So 45 divided by 8, that gives you how much? 5, right? I think that's 5 times 4 plus 2. So this time, multiply 5 by 4, so you have 20, and last is 2. So your final answer is 22. Okay. Next, you have 17 plus enclosed in parentheses 21 modulo 6 times 2. Now, wala nang butang diri sa ato ang precedence table, no? But ang naka-parentheses, as always, have higher precedence over, more siya, pareha siya diri sa first. Actually, higher pa siya aning first, no? Kaya unahon man po siya. So, in this example here, ano to? Here, unahon siya nato ning modulo, and then we multiply, and then last ang addition. So it's like 17 plus, what is 21 modulo 6? 21 divided by 6, I think that gives you 3. The remainder is 21 minus 18. So I think that's a 3, right? 3 times 2. So now we have 17 plus 3 times 2 is 6. So your final answer will be 23. We'll verify this. I have a program where we will run this one. And then finally, for letter F, these are all of type double. So even if puro sila double, the precedence rule also still applies. Now, you notice naka-typecast siya. So first, we need to do the operation. Last ang sa tanan nga naka-enclose og parenthesis, kaning typecast mo ni pinaka-last nimo imo, no? In this case, so naon sa nato ning na diri sa right side. Okay? So we will do the computation, we will do the typecast last. So you have plus and multiplication. So we'll have to do the multiplication first. So 2.6 times 0.5, that's I think 1.3. So you have here 4.5 plus 1.3. I think that's 5.8. Okay. And 5.8. Now, the int here is a typecast, meaning to say we will only get the integer part of the result of 5.8. So your final answer will be 5. Okay. So now let's go to the program and try to run it. So I have encoded same naman, no? 15 divided by 4, 15 modulo 4, 7 divided by 3. And then I have to print the result every time. Okay? Magdikit sila tanan. Sige, anyway. Ah, okay lang. Sige, let's compile. I save it again. I have to overwrite the assigned values to. That became my scratch. Muna na ako siyang scratch nga program. Okay. So, since nag-edit ta sa content sa program, we have to compile it again. So, balik-balik yung ko ano yung compile, no? Kaya nagsige ko edit sa code. So, let's compare the result to our answers kaganina. Okay? Kung sakto ba, no? The point here is we need to confirm whether ang atong understanding is correct. And that's what I really want you to do, no? Attempt to do it on your own first. Try it on your own first. And then later, afterwards, ay ka magpa-run sa imong program, ay nimo i-test. Na yun imuhang i-check kung sakto ba imong pagsabot. Okay? Never nga iparani mo ng program, mo din ni output. So, like processing sa imuha una. So, you have to tickle your brain first. Ayan mo din i-confirm. Okay, so the first line of output is 3 from our slide. Yes, indeed, 3 siya. The next output is, what's that, 4. So, how about, wait pa lang, akong edit. Yes, 4. And then the next line, Medyo lang ha. And then the next line, 37. So do we have a 37? Yes, we do. The next line of output is 22. Is it 22? Yes, it is a 22. Next, we have 22. Next, we have 23. Is it a 23? Yes, it is. And then finally, our answer is 5. Okay, so it is actually 5. So meaning to say, the order at which we evaluated the expression, actually correct ang ato ang uh, pag-execute, no? So, really the reason why I have to show you this example is for you also to do exactly the same na may daghang examples dito um, sa ni ebook nga ako ang gi-upload, no? I need you to look at the self-test exercises, do the self-test exercises yourself, and then later on, I will upload the answers to the self-test exercise. Now, actually, if pugihan mo, you can actually try to download the whole ebook. Just search for the title and you can actually download it. No? Because I prefer to upload it chapter by chapter para di po mo ma-overwhelm. Okay? So, that's pretty much it. We'll move to the next slide.